Hey, it's old JBJ. Finally got time to put this out. It's time for that garlic tossed shrimp pasta. Pretty nice stuff. Made this a couple weeks ago, about 12 o'clock at night. But I finally got it all edited up, put together, so I hope y'all enjoy it. See how it is.
Ooh, that's nice. Cut your 4 garlic cloves. Then your olive oil goes in. Then drop your garlic in. Then your onions. Then your diced tomatoes go in. Drop your greens in. It's fresh parsley, salt, sugar, oregano, white wine, more or less, a ½ pound of shrimp, cut up to make more little bites, a pinch of red pepper, let the shrimp swim. Mix and stir, stir and mix. Need to add some cornstarch and some cold water to make it thick. Stir and mix, stir and mix. It's looking good. I've always added oil to stop the pasta from sticking, but it stops the sauce from sticking to the pasta. Dump your water when the pasta's done, but do not rinse. Starch comes out and the sauce won't stick. Just shake off the extra water. Dump, toss, mix. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Mighty fine. Plate it, drop a little parsley on it. Ready to serve. Oh yeah.
Ooh-wee, that was some mighty fine food. Looked good too. Good for that tummy. Made that tummy happy. A restaurant quality food. Tell you what, glad y'all came by. I got more coming up soon. Subscribe. Glad to see you.